Shasta. It's not here anymore? There's just something like there's a hatch. Wait, is it removed? There was supposed to be one hatch here. This is intermission. Is it not intermission?
Hindi natin kung magsasay para makita natin parehas. Before mo.
I wish I can put it like into 40.
Ay, tigong
I don't got a lot of Robux, you know.
kung paano sa buhok mo dito.
Sunny Ranch. Oh, Sunny Ranch. My least favorite. Yes, bro, just nowhere to survive here. It's cool and everything, but there's no way you can survive here unless you have the balloon. You know, the tractor won't save you, dude. If it's tornado, I'm actually gonna go inside. I'm cooked if it's a tornado. It's a tornado. Maybe a volcano eruption. Now I'm cooked. And also, you can survive. Can't survive the volcano eruption. Oh, heck no! I'm not going to the hay bale. Oh, does the hay will... No, there's a fire behind you! Why is it hollow inside? Is that... It's the sky view from Final Destination, right? You know, we can just stay away from the fire. You don't need to go up here. Yeah. We just go here and we're safe. Okay, now I got a new spot to work with. Yay! Bechabele, drop, yes! Wala na ba talaga? Straight here lang, tsaka bababa ka na. Paano tawag Ferris wheel? Wala yung Ferris. Ah! Mermaid ka ba? Under the sea ka ba? Eh, joke lang. Joke lang! Uy, joke lang nga nani. Pampapatayin, no? DJ Twin, yun. Achievement. I buy the pants. Oh! Kala ko ano yan? Kala ko volcano. Oh! Pag na-Yolando talaga ulit, bawal ako makasurvive. Grabe to. Hurry at the beach and go to good air, sucking go, sipping fish. Okay. Yes. Goo gaga. Goo gaga. Hawak mo, Ebit. Ay! Binugat ko lang barrier. Hawak mo, Ebit. 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 Lolo! Lolo ko talaga! Lolo! Wagner! Oy! Lolo! Uy! Delete this map. I like the interior, but it is zero chance to survive. I'm so trash at this thingy before. Usually go up top. Thunder is very easy. With an umbrella, I can survive it. If hindi ako tinamaan. Nagbiro ba? Thunder strike. Ay. Aray! Ayan! Sinerch ko pala, nasa the hunt lang pala yun easy lang yan ulan lang yan. Paano yan? Sa amin nga nababaha, hindi pa nga nahulog yung bahay Paano yan? Isang drop lang ng ulan, sira na agad. Aray mo, parang cardboard yung material dyan. Alam mo talaga box school yun Ha? Oy! Admin? 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 Ang dami mong damit, bakit? May Roblox hat ka, may hat ka ulit at may KJ hat ka din? I swear, pag na naman ito ay earthquake, patay talaga ako dito. Puro mga ano lang dito. Ay, ready nga yan. Matatrabaho na ako. Para sa sahod. Ay, ano na? Ay! Flash! Flash! Grabe talaga. Akala niya si Flash galing sa Avengers. Grabe. Ay, drama talaga kayo. Finally, naman na sa Pilipinas. Taas yan. Taas yan. Balik na, yan yung ano sa Pilipinas, bawal na mag-swimming. Seryoso na. It's serious. You can't swim anymore. Because first, the water is dirty in the Philippines. And taking a while. Ooh, whoa. Matataas to. Uy. Kaya pala Ang ulan na. Dahil na tubig dati malaki. Nilakihan mo pa sobra. Easy lang yung flash flood Pero itong buhay. Wala na. Umiyak ako. Tumikiba. Umiyak ako. Ilulok!